This is Book Bootcamp Part 1, the first in a 3-part series designed to take you from blank page to published book with clarity, confidence, and craft. Strong publishing results start with strong foundations, and that's exactly what we focus on here. Many authors rush past the fundamentals. They're eager to publish, eager to see results, and I understand that impulse. But here's what happens when you skip this stage. Weak structure, inconsistent tone, characters that don't land, and stories that lose readers halfway through. You end up spending more time fixing problems than you would have spent getting it right in the first place. Book Bootcamp 1 is a live training focused on the core craft and planning elements that support effective storytelling and sustainable publishing. We slow the process down, just enough to get it right. In this course, we focus on story clarity. What is your book actually about? Not just the plot, but the emotional core, the reader promise, the reason someone should care. We work on structure, not rigid formulas, but frameworks that help you see where your story is going and why. We dig into character intention, what your characters want, what's stopping them, and how that drives every scene. And we look at decision making, because writing a book means making thousands of small choices, and the more intentional you are about those choices, the stronger your final product will be. You'll learn how to evaluate your own work honestly, not to tear it apart, but to see it clearly. You'll learn to identify weaknesses early, before they become expensive problems. And you'll learn how to use AI thoughtfully as a support tool, without outsourcing your creative judgment or letting the technology make decisions it isn't equipped to make. This isn't about slowing you down permanently. It's about building a foundation that makes everything else faster and easier. Book Bootcamp 1 helps authors build stories on solid ground, so that when you move into revision, that's part 2, and then into publishing, part 3, you're not constantly backtracking. You're building forward. If you're serious about publishing books that work, this is where you start.